Welcome to SimpleX. This short video will show you how to make your first import into SimpleX. Let's say I have run an online survey. I have the resulting data in a spreadsheet. I need in particular to deep dive into the free text answers of one open-ended questions. I click on Create a new survey. In SimpleX, each survey handles one open question. I select the file containing my data and indicate the tab if necessary. Now I have a window where I map the different fields. First, I indicate the column containing the text answers. In this survey, there are plenty of other information that I would like to keep and use when analyzing text data. During import, I tag them as filters. I can also use preset filters, such as date, ID, like. Before I actually import, I can preview how it will look like. Here, the text answers are correctly displayed in the center. The different filters are on the right sidebar. That's what I want. I validate. In few seconds, the text data is imported in my console and I am ready to work on my text data.